make the Shahi Tukda dessert recipe. This is very delicious turkey dessert recipe. So friends, follow my steps and learn how to easily make the Shahi Tukda. This is one of the very easiest and delicious dessert. Let's go, we'll start the recipe now. Here are the ingredients for the Shahi Tukda dessert recipe. Take 1 cup of whole milk, rose essence, ghee, crushed nuts, which I have mixed the cashew nuts, almonds, pistachio and roughly blended, some crushed green cardamom and the milk maid, sugar, and take white bread slices which I have cut into triangle shapes. I have heated about 1 cup of water, then add half cup of sugar in it, then mix it well, then stir it continuously until sugar dissolves on medium flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of rose essence in it, then mix it well. Then allow to boil 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see sugar has got a syrup and sticky. The consistency of this sugar syrup is perfect. So now sugar syrup is ready. So turn up the flame. I have heated about 1 cup of whole milk. Now boil it on high flame 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1/4 cup of condensed milk, or you can say milk maid. Then add crushed green cardamom in it. Then mix it well. Then allow to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add crushed nuts and mix it well. Now milk boiled very well and it became thick also. So friends, now this is the almost similar to rabdi. It's not rabdi, but it's almost similar to rabdi. So I haven't not added sugar in it. So this is done. I'm going to turn up the flame now. Let it cool down for some minutes. I have heated about 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. Once ghee is hot, then I am going to place the bread slices and fry these bread slices low flame. You need to fry until turn it golden brown color. So you can see the bread slices became golden brown. So I am going to flip the bread slices. It's golden brown color and crispy as well. Now the bread slices fried very well and is turned to golden brown color and became crispy. So it's done. So I'm going to take out on the plate now. So friends, sugar syrup is ready, the fried bread slices are ready and the rabdi is ready. So I am going to decorate now Shahi Tukda. So first I am going to dip the fried bread slices in the sugar syrup. Then place on the plate. Just dip it and take it out. Now I am going to put the rabdi on the sugar syrup bread slices. Then I am going to decorate some crushed nuts on that one. So yeah friends, now Shahi Tukda is ready. This is very delicious dessert. You can easily make it at home. Thank you.